mataka ni kuwa mataka oso and sorry corridor buni potal kaya to mai langere nangono
Gori tina sara
and welcome to Outs Palangi Show
namambolo tani manandre ni lori ni Tonia no sorry subao
tamai sai
yana binaka bina beli besar na semu tumu kosa namba di pajita kemango keba kaya totolo mai keba kaya Tonia na kiu iya sen kelas na sasanga chiku mengai chiku mendana monogori bayan ramambolo tani bikimi ni kesara ndo watu mai and namata a very good morning Samuel.
Okay, all right to everyone, each and everyone tuning in for TikTok Live and YouTube channel of VTFM. Likewise, the Facebook page of VTFM. All welcome in the Outs Palangi Show in this wonderful morning. When I look at you, you look like you siding Mika like this, and I see your eyes blinking.
So from now on,
eyes blinking, you know what does that mean?
From now on, we'll call Tau Drua.
No, maybe when the eye is blinking, it's like the speaking code in Rarakelo.
Okay, we came in. We all enjoying the breakfast this morning.
Right.
We say good morning to you, Mbulubunaka. Welcome to this Outs Palangi Show.
To
all the listeners who are in the office right now.
Right.
Sa ralak tu tolomai sa lain biu nongani buli. Rabito kan bulu mana matagdi kuah kita kita bagi cikgu ni. To all the maritime listeners.
Right.
And nonta benua ni soko wasi kumpe kana matakango.
Right.
Ngono kalau mereka nampak walu. Saya kalau cikgu mana tobi. Saya kalau cikgu kantabu sih kena tu lau.
Rotumas.
Dan tongkoli. Fishes of men.
Spears. Speaking of fish, good morning. Ipita masilanga yanda binaka Bill Senia. Tamay to see me Isa Vini Neveli. Well, good morning and Toke Vrani.
Boleh binaka boleh siara yang bakin dia di Lea. Yang binaka Bill Senia. Good morning and kini si Meroko masih yang binaka. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. When return we came in the Umako Wanga. Donaka warna tu nasinya I was in the Suba Wolf. What do you call that wolf? Naranjeti.
Naranjeti.
Non do reverse man wangalip. Na ohana. Ora não sei onde não zonga na wabu.
Kau kena tutol kutumia.
Na kutal kotumia.
Iya.
Ya da mea ni tostumia me bakatangkar na kasarangan na rem man dele ni. Untuk kira na do Umako Wanga. When return we came to sarna Stephanie Ohana. Soko sar cukup mai lau.
Ayo sana.
Be mama na runa matakalele keli tu man kortoran lebi suba.
You saying about the rem?
The rem.
Tapi cukup mata kenta runa matakali kuah. Isa former rema.
Former. Is rem.
Former rema me apelu.
He rem here, rem there. Joro komes
Ode yogani. Yes, well, good morning to Kelly. Tuning in on TikTok Live right now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Likewise to Jessica Talay from Southwest England. Kay Joe Rocovesu. Hey, salam ni basi tamay don.
What cola?
Kogangi omusa.
I want to tell you some one story about one fella in this gang's side. Telebu side. Right in the some. The fella's name is Gani. Fella passed away. Rest in peace, sir.
Isa.
Fella got 7 wife.
Pooh.
Iyo.
Ngori Sandeki.
Atu looking at
mana chico.
No, I'm telling you.
No cuento do dano na uluna na panang talo pangori.
Fella got 7 wife in one house. Just imagine that.
Iyo.
One house.
One big house.
Yeah, under one roof. They all stay there. Whenever he comes to Cormo, one comes 6 there.
Boy.
And the afternoon another one like that.
Ni sa tula kamaya sa katurong kailangan to yan na chuka ni.
Iya.
Na ser ni may na.
Sirmina.
Iya.
Kita wawa to kay Bali.
Buka nga yung duwa sa nakirabo. Ay na.
You some can try this one. I want to.
Yeah.
Yes, to try that.
Myself, if I try, I'll turn it to white, all white.
What? Chalk.
Not chalk. Because of the way kata-kata and everything.
You wait already.
As Fijian, it's different. Otherwise, I'm gonna turn it to black. They're gonna burn me.
So, in other words, you afraid of the way kata-kata?
No, not afraid. But I'm thinking of my skin. Maybe you can tell others.
Sapa ngaya antar sul plastik merni kata-kata bekambi.
Sakai kuri ya.
So simpan di balu.
Iya.
Barau bakarau tapi matena. Bakarau bita tapi matena bita dini.
Iya.
Nano ya le mic ni ko ya le ndi.
Na buna nga wiki na kata ka ni simberi tor bina bita lono.
Iya.
Ni ro ale maru ta ka Valentine's Day gina sa bakara.
Right.
Dina ni ro ngale kata ya anda ka tu na Valentine's Day.
Anda ka ba?
Don't hotel.
Iya.
One hotel.
One hotel, one bed down, one pillow, one blanket. Everything.
Yeah.
And maybe because the Messi can take the pressure, that's why sick today. Hey, to Andra Naka to Nesta 76, tuning in from New Zealand, Hawke's Bay, Hastings, New Zealand. Likewise to Aiki, likewise to Norman.
Right.
Aiki said from TikTok page in VTFM. Aiki said, hey, to you three, Hendra Naka, big fan.
Ada to all the stuff. Saya betul cuma go ekar rilingan dua. CJ selalu toka ya nama tadi kuah. Imagine the seven. How many wives?
Seven. Gani.
Gani 7 wives. Gaya pakai sama taka. Nanor tu belum mani how they love each other. The 6 wives.
Someone cook a curry. And another one cook something else.
Some of them, because some of my family, the Muslim family in Lambasa, they got 3 wives, Three wives. Only 3 wives.
Oh, Lambasa 3, as gang in Corvo, 7.
And the thing is, Mika, if you bought a vehicle to one of them, you should buy it to all of them. One vehicle each.
Yeah, like this one, 7 wives. Fala got 7 boat.
That's
fishing
why.
boat.
Oi.
8.
That's
the
why.
8 is his.
And
the 7 is for...
Kaya ba yata ni tuwir to kada na.
Itu.
Asa usa
MV Nisha.
Yeah,
like that.
MV Mika.
No. They have 1 each.
So the lesson chika. Me na lolom na pilom mani.
It's all about business, the growing of business. So you monitor your boat. Everything you report to the big boat. Like
right.
That.
What if the big boat same time want to come and relax?
Go to the small boat.
Go to the Babylon.
But don't rent to the kayak.
This is true, Saranga. I'm not joking. If this gang in Gelekuro and Ranaka to those tuning in from Gelekuro, they know this. This is the true story.
Boy, how's Saranga?
True story.
7-1.
Boy, 7
wonders of the world.
7-1.
You try. See, they stay in one roof. You try 8. And hire one apartment.
I don't come there.
Ibarat kita nak kata apa betul tu betul sih rumah tanggo. So turun tu kan na.
Gani, so that's why.
Kanya nang on road.
That's why that song, the Suragani one, it's Zimbuli. Bye, karaik.
They have 1 boat each, and the name there, MV Nisa, MV.
Bertu kita na wacina.
MV.
Ya sama kereta tu kau ya. Ni si oke dan nona lo manir tu. Tutup mata. Iyo. Ayo sekarang ya.
The son we went to school together, London Primary. Gani son.
Iyo.
Kita boleh mata.
Second ni rongo ikan nabi pub.
Senga. Sometimes they go and swim in the river. All the 7 at the back.
The frog.
Boy, that thing is different. So John Kumar should try it. John Kumar too.
From Banana Valley.
From Banana Valley to Seotak.
Already.
John Kumar got 6. Can you be the 7th one?
Ya berapa kamu tadi itu nak lesson tak boleh kena. Dia sama
Boy bola tambo. As Christian, that's you're not allowed. Only 1 wife.
See, only the thing is that big lesson there. We have to love each other.
Right.
Respect.
Now you know. Now that's what I want you to know.
Ikusin rongo de kaya kami debu na kapa na biu roto biwa roto le lebi ya. Sianga. Na puno na kompone apa kan tinggal ngalutunga. Siambongi.
But it's a different story. But as Fijian, we are different.
But Gani eat fish every day. Fish.
It fish because 7 boat. And the 8 is his boat. Fish.
Ningarama choka levitu na marama.
Levitu. If Gani not eat well to one day, bakaduwa I say marge.
Berapa lebih besar kita kan boleh main mata kini kuah, antara like share mata kena hat.
Right.
Orang ini nak kena buat negara kita ini sini kuah. Kau kurmundu.
Ya umikan.